recovery driver's just been and he's dropped off this Astra. This is the first car of the series, so we're going to start at this and work our way up. So the damage on this one seems to be just at the front end. It looks like it's just front bumper and maybe the radiator underneath. The rest of the car itself looks alright. We've got perfectly fine panels. I haven't even bothered starting it. That tyre's a little bit low. I haven't bothered starting it yet. Recovery driver did say that with a jump pack he couldn't start it. We can't open the boot. As you can see, the rest of the car's actually not too bad. We've got damage here. What's happened is a bumper's ripped off. It's not too much of an issue. What we want to do is get into the engine. Doesn't look like we've got any power. It's supposed to be a run and drive, this. Right, let's put the bonnet thing on the stand. It's really hard doing this one-handed. Right, so that's the engine. Battery cable's disconnected, so let's get the battery cable connected and let's fire the car up. So we've got the battery cable on there. Everything else seems to be all connected, just at a quick glance. Now what we're going to do is get inside the car. And there's a speedo. It's supposed to have lit up, but it's not lighting up for some reason. Car's supposed to be a run and drive, so the battery's got power. So it doesn't actually run and drive. Now this is from Copart. What's all this? Let's have a look. We've got... what is this? Alright, so this must be broken parts that fell off. That's obviously part of the grille. Probably part of the grille. Yeah, I think we've got boxes, we've got a few pennies. We don't have an engine that runs. What else have we got? Rubbish. Got a can of Sprite. Don't have an engine that runs. Recovery driver did say when he dropped it off that he couldn't get it to start. And he did have the battery booster on it as well. So we've got a bit of a downfall there. In the back end, you know, it's half leather. It's not a bad looking car. It's got limited edition stickers on it and all this. Someone's been underneath the seats for some reason. I need to check because some cars you can get to the fuel pumps from underneath. Some cars you can't. Doesn't seem to be any service history with it. But this is the first car anyway, guys. So we're going to have to try and figure out why the engine doesn't run, what the crack is with the engine, and once we get it up and running then we can move forward. What we're going to do for now, push it into the garage and go from there. Might not be no content on this for the next few days, but there will be eventually. What it is we're getting some really heavy snow where we are right now. It's raining, it's really cold, and I do have customer jobs on, so them jobs need to take a priority over these, over this in fact. But we've got the limited edition down there as well, so I will get along to it. We've got the limited edition there as well. I will get around to it. Main thing is our series has started, so let's see where we end up there. Thanks for support.